Welcome to Mojo. This video is about the modules and packages in Mojo. First, what is module? A module is simply a Mojo file with some code like this. In the module, I have made a structure called myPair. There is two variable or members first and second. These members are initialized. There is a dump method which will print out the members of pair. I write a string, this is pair 1. We make another module named myModule2, copy and paste the code from module 1. But now there are two pairs in this file. We make third and fourth variable and then initialize them in the constructor init method. And then we print out the pairs. Note that we are not making main function in the modules. Let's make another file named main.mojo, and then we write the main function in this file. You can see the error as myPair cannot be not accessed. Mojo provides a comprehensive packaging system just like Python to organize your code. In modules and packages, we will discuss packages also in this video. Now we will write from myModule1, which is the file or module. Import myPair structure, done. And now we can use the myPair easily. We can also simply write import myModule to import the complete module rather than only one thing. But now we will write myModule1.myPair to access the structure. We can also give module a name or alias, such as my, and then we will write my.myPair. Now let's check by running the Mojo module. We need to call the dump function to print out the results. This is pair 1, 2, 3. Now we write parentheses for somewhat clear output. Now this is better. Now what are packages? One package has many Mojo modules. Now we move these modules into this folder, which is our package, or simply a folder, but how Mojo knows that this is package, we will make an _init file. A Mojo package is just a collection of Mojo modules in a directory that includes an _init.mojo file. By organizing modules together in a directory, you can then import all the modules together or individually. Now we can modify our import statements in main file as from package name.module name and then import myPair. Now we run the file. You can see the output. This is pair 2. Optionally, you can also compile the package into a .mojo pkg file that's easier to share and still compatible with other system architectures. This is Mojo package command. First we write Mojo package and the package name and the -o and then output file name which you want. And you can see that this is the result of command. You can import a package and its modules either directly from source files or from a compiled .mojopkg file. It makes no real difference to Mojo which way you import a package. When importing from source files, the directory name works as the package name, whereas when importing from a compiled package, the file name is the package name, which you specify with the Mojo package command. It can differ from the directory name. Now we can write as my packint this way. As mentioned above, the _init.mojo file is required to indicate that a directory should be treated as a Mojo package and it can be empty. Currently, top-level code is not supported in .mojo files. So unlike Python, you can't write code in _init.mojo
that executes upon import. You can, however, add structs and functions, which you can then import from the package name. However, instead of adding APIs in the _init.mojo file, you can import module members, which has the same effect by making your APIs accessible from the package name, instead of requiring the package name.module name notation. Let's rewrite the import statements in _init file, and thus in this way, we simplify our import statements. This feature explains why some members in the Mojo standard library can be imported from their package name, while others required the package name.module name notation. For example, the functional module resides in the algorithm package, so you can import members of that module, such as the map function, like this. From algorithm.functional import map. This is the init file in algorithm, so at the end we can simply write as this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.